The ocean swallowed more than 1,500 people, even though they were on the safest ship in the world. In 1912, the unthinkable happened. A ship called Unsinkable ended up at the bottom of the ocean within days. But the real question is not, how did it sink? It's how was every warning sign ignored? Titanic seemed like something out of this world. A floating city of luxury, walking with confidence over the water. But behind this glamour, there was a great illusion. The illusion that man had full control of nature. On its way across the Atlantic, warnings began to arrive from other ships. Heavy ice ahead. But nothing changed. The speed remained the same, as if the ocean was just a minor detail. Here, the mistake was not a single decision, but an entire state of overconfidence. Even the means of survival were not truly ready. Fewer lifeboats than needed and almost no training. No one imagined the need for them would be really, and that alone was enough to create the disaster. 11:40 p.m., the moment of the late turn. A massive object appears right before the ship. A sharp turn, but it was too late. The impact was not loud, it was a cold friction beneath the water, like a long silence, suddenly broken. But inside, everything was tearing apart. Water rushed in, room after room, and the ship began to lose its balance in silence. Less than 20 kilometers away, another ship saw it all. Lights, signals, and distress flares lighting up the sky. But the radio was turned off, and the signals were taken as a celebration, not a cry for help. A few seconds of hesitation were enough to close the door of survival forever. In less than 3 hours, Titanic finished beneath the ocean surface. It wasn't a sudden fall, but a slow fading, like a city drowning in complete silence. After the tragedy, everything changed. Maritime laws, lifeboats, and constant communication. But the real lesson wasn't technical. It was something simpler and more dangerous. That disaster doesn't start with the crash, but with the overconfidence that the crash would never happen. Imagine all of this ending could have changed if one person took the warning seriously, if one device had worked, if one decision was made at the right time. But what happened was simpler than all of that. Humans decided that the danger wasn't real. And right there is where most disasters begin.